Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The average cost to put in an in-ground swimming pool in the U.S. ranges from $28,000 to $55,000, but pricey bells and whistles can easily push the number over that top range. According to our survey of over 1,100 top real estate agents nationwide in Q3 2020, the average cost to install an in-ground pool is $42,480.
Take our lead.
Above-ground pool cost. The average price to buy and install an above-ground pool is about $2,671. The cost usually ranges from $734 and $4,609 or more. Kits from big box stores are typically less expensive and can be a DIY project.
Let's help you make your mark.
Installing your above-ground swimming pool is actually easier than you may think, and we promise you can do it. With our video and detailed instructions, you too can successfully install your own above-ground pool. After you remove all grasses and level the area, the rest is just following the directions.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.